the coffee that you made.
I just made it because and look, I did like they do at the baristas. I wrote, I love Rosina.
You did.
I did because
Please,
I do love you. There she. Now that's not my best handwriting, guys. I do feel like I have nicer handwriting.
Oh, Mally,
but
thank you.
I love you. Good morning.
I love you too. Chunky, are you jealous?
Yeah, Chunky. Sorry, I made one for you, but it's out there.
I'll bring you up a coffee cake, a crumb cake, and a coffee.
There you go.
That's
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we're going to talk about the, I think, one of the most iconic and innovative game changers that Mally has ever created. We said that, you know, that innovation and the technology, even in makeup, has moved forward.
Yes.
Well, you moved it forward with this, my friend. Yes. It is a high-tech alternative to powder.
Yep.
Sheer, lightweight, 100% invisible balm.
Yep.
That instantly diffuses the look of pores, of lines, mattifies shine, and perfects the skin. So you're going to use it as a mattifying powder, like you would, but it's a balm.
That's right. That's right.
Go
exactly.
Figure.
Go figure.
It's a weird thing. It is.
It is a weird thing.
Nobody gets it. Plus, in this set, we are also getting the awesome Dark Circle Corrector.
Two of them.
That makes them even better. This is even better than just a regular concealer because it's brightening and hydrating.
And normally I apply it a little bit better, but again, we didn't sleep last night, guys. So yes, I'm going to show you very quickly how to use the Dark Circle Correctors because you are getting two of them. This will last you a very long time. There's two shades, Rosina. There's lighter and deeper. Fair, light, or medium, you're going to go for the lighter. Tan or rich, you'll go for the deeper. When in doubt, go for the lighter. You can't. That's what I actually put on because I need extra heavy duty. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to show you what this is all about, and then we're going to do Face Defender. So you are getting what is not a concealer. This is skincare with brightening and hydrating pigments. So now I put it on. It's a little shower head sucker, right? And you just twist it up. Yeah. Then the product comes out. You put it in targeted areas of the face. Then with your fingers, no brushes required. Look at this. Hello, good morning. This is how you brighten. You get the look of lift. You get the look of hydration without, look at that. What a difference that was. Honey.
That's amazing. Look, wait, I'm going.
She's going in. This is the thing. Sometimes, especially as we age, we mistake age. We think it's darkness. We think it's aging. It's just you need that. Oh my goodness gracious!
That you guys. I mean, I do have crazy under eye circles. I cover them very well. But the brightness is fantastic. Brightness because of the pigments, but really what we're doing is hydrating.
That's it.
And I'm putting this on over makeup.
That's right, and that's what this is so great for because you can use this with no makeup. You can use this on top of makeup. You can use it on top if you are one of those crazy people that uses powder.
Yes, let's go.
You can put it on top of that. We're going to go see. Oh, hi, Chantal.
Let's go over.
So, again, we're going to show you what this is all about. Again, giving you instant and long-term hydration throughout the day. So, can I do it? I want to do because it's fun. So, very quickly, you're getting the Dark Circle Corrector. You're getting two, Rosina.
Yep.
This is the lighter we're going to show you on Chantal. And what I like to do is I like to go under the eyes like this, inside those little inner corners, in between the eyebrows, and a little underneath the bottom lip. Then what you're going to do, fingers only. You can use a brush if you want. Watch this, guys. Wow. Wow. Look at how that not only brightens, it covers, it corrects, and it lifts and hydrates. Look at that.
And subtle.
Yes.
It's not like a big raccoon eye that we would be maybe afraid of. Now, would you use this before, for example, let's say, can I put concealer on over it if I wanted to?
I would put the concealer first.
Okay.
And then put this on throughout the day. So you take it with you. You can pop it in your purse. You're getting two full sizes. Then all you have to do is take it, put it on. I always like to say after lunch, you're feeling tired. You need that little something, something instead of, you know, a coffee. Well, you could do coffee too, let's be honest. But you can take it and then just put it on.
It's a drink of water.
Instantly, everyone is just going to go, oh my gosh, what is that? You look fresh, you look awake, you look gorgeous.
If you would like the set of the lighter, so you're getting two in the lighter, there's fewer than 100 to go around. And then we have the deeper. That's it. It's really, really easy. What did you say the range was for lighter?
Oh,
you would
fair,
go from
light, or medium.
Light or medium.
Go for the lighter. Tan or rich, go for deep. deeper, but when in doubt, go for the lighter, right? Because again, it really does. Oh, we're switching. Okay.
All right, well.
Bye.
Now we're about to talk about something.
We'll see you in a minute.
Really special.
Okay. Face Defender.
Watch this. This is bananas.
Okay. Oh, here comes Steve.
We have another model.
Yes. Another model who loves this Face Defender. Actually, I love this. Mary is doing her thing, and she's showing you how. Just with a pat and a tap, look at how your skin is mattified. I feel like I don't even need to speak. I'm gonna let you guys do it.
I mean, for real. All right, so the first time I presented this with Mally, she took away my shine. I was like, wait, what? Hold on. Show me again how this works.
Yes.
It's on my face every day, with or without makeup.
Right, with or without makeup.
The shine is real, and only for Mally. I'm gonna ask our camera crew to come nice and close on my shiny forehead.
Come on.
Let's come close on this shiny forehead so you can see what exactly is happening with this. All right, so pat, pat, pat.
Yep.
All right, let's see.
Yeah,
you can literally see the shine. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God,
Only
Steve.
for you, Mal. All right, check this out. I'm just going to take that shine away. Yeah, pull that head up. Like, look at.
What?
So, not shiny, shiny. Exactly. All right, there we go.
Look.
Is that not nuts?
Oh my God.
But it's not taking the makeup off underneath.
Right?
Stressless
Not at all.
foundation underneath.
Isn't that
Nose, cheeks, everywhere.
Okay, the lighter is completely sold out.
Okay.
But we still have the deeper.
Okay,
But
well, let me
just
get the
for
deeper
this,
to show you.
This is worth it.
Yeah,
I love you. Let's go.
Love you. Love
so
you.
we can go. But
Not powder, but
No.
you're able to do what you would typically normally do with the powder.
That's right. Exactly. And then that's everything that you need. So if you didn't get the lighter, thank you, Steve.
What?
That was amazing. I know. You can absolutely. Chunky, stop telling me 20 seconds.
Stop it, Chunky.
I want to do more playing.
Leave us alone.
He's just mad because he didn't get his coffee.
I know.
Anyway.
Wait, okay, the
There's your
value is
deeper.
incredible. Yes, okay, show it.
Yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
See?
It's actually very also forgiving.
Absolutely.
Okay, so it's an $84 value, everyone, for under $45. I mean, literally, the Face Defender itself is $42. You're getting the two Dark Circle correctors for $2, $1 each. It's fantastic. This is really good.
Love you.
I need to retouch.
I'm gonna drink my coffee. Drink your coffee.
Thank you.
All right, I love you. I'm gonna leave.
I love you.
You said my right. Okay, that's right.
Okay, icon.